stock bottom air cleaner for 2013 Dodge Daytona RT. All kinds of ribs in here. You don't want that. You want it smooth like that. This is the Hellcat one that I'm going to put in. And I'm also doing cold air intake. So see, before, after, old, new. The only thing you got to take off the old one is this little grommet, and you got to put it on here. And then of course this patch right here, I made a new patch. It doesn't come with the new patch. And I'm making a gasket for right here too, because the new one doesn't come with that. Alright, I got some weather strip here. It was 1.5 inches. I just cut off a skinny little piece to put around here where the box sits. See, just like this. So I made a gasket right here out of this weather stripping. I just cut it to fit, and I used some 3M tape on the bottom to make sure it sticks, because the weather stripping I had was pretty old. It's not really sticky anymore, but there you go. From the old box into this one right here, because the new one does not come with it. So let's see. There you go. There's a hole in the back here that this has to go into, right there. So as you can see now, with the gasket I put there, no gap, so no hot air can get in here. And then all you do, put your can in, or whatever filter you got back in there. Put this bad boy back on. Put your screw back in right here to hold the bottom box in. Tighten down the 3 screws for the top of the air cleaner. Clamp that back on. Put this back right here. Yeah. And then you're done. The box they said that couldn't fit, it is in there. Stay tuned for the rest of the video, because I am going to have a cold air intake scoop that's going to be here, and then the hose is going to go straight to that inlet on the side of the Hellcat Airbox. Oh, look at the National Guard out standing guard, Jibber. I've never seen this parking lot this empty. Ooh, look at the National Guard right there, bro. That big ass truck. I think it's closed. Come off, look at the big sticks that they got too. Dude, look at that AR.
Bro.
So I'm picking up, we're at Home Depot in the plumbing section. Hellcat Airbox. I need something to go here. I picked up this. And this will go here. This hose will go here. And this will go here to the grill. I'll show the installation in a little bit. See, look at that. Tell me that don't almost look factory. There's an idea what it's going to look like. It's in there. I just need to take the front bumper off a little bit so I can route the hose over to the snorkel I'm going to put in here. Okay, so you have to take this out. It goes right here. I have to cut a hole right here to pass this hose through here. Then put it back together, and then I got to work on putting the scoop in there. So we got to get this right here to drill a hole in the plastic piece to allow the hose to go through to the funnel. And just like that, this made that. which it's going to in here like that. This is going to pass through, go over to the funnel and the grill, which is going to be the next install, is the funnel and the grill. Making room for this. It's official, no turning back now. The hole I made for this, as you can see, good fit. I'm gonna put epox around this, put it in there and let it sit overnight. Then that'll be done then officially. Putting some JB weld around this so it'll set into the grill. Let it stay there till the night, and I'll finish the rest of the install. You will not see any of this from the front. It'll look custom. There it is. You see a little gap right there, but you won't be able to see that unless you get your face in here. And when it's on the car, there won't be light behind here, you know what I'm saying? What do you think? Getting it, man. Hell yeah. I can notice the difference. Now they all heard that, but I'm going by nice and slow so they can get in there close. There you go, folks. It's done. It's a beast. I noticed a difference. If you want to know any of the parts or anything we got, we'll put it in the link below. Thanks for watching the video. Have a good one.